Naghahanap ka ba ng trucks or heavy equipments na magagamit sa iyong negosyo at proyekto? Here at Kimcar Enterprises Company, we offer quality and 100% Japan surplus. Ipapakita ko sa inyo today ang Isuzu Elf NPR wide 14 feet drop side inline. Quality at 100% Japan surplus truck. Halika at puntahan natin ang loob nito. Maganda at bago ang kanyang leather seat. Meron itong safety handbrake, shifter, light switch, working ang busina, bago at maganda ang dashboard nito at merong itinakbo or mileage na 176,866. Working ang kanyang hazard, pati na rin ang wiper. Meron din itong in and out air ventilation for your comfort. Ito naman ang kanyang bed. Meron itong haba na 14 feet, magaan at checkered plate din ang kanyang steel flooring. Check naman natin ang makina. Ang model nito ay Isuzu 4HF1 inline. Walang usok, walang talsik, hindi blow-by, at 100% Japan surplus. Meron din itong compressor ready for your aircon activation. Leaf spring type na rin ang suspension nito harap at likod to support the weight of your vehicle and its cargo. Dalawa na rin ang kanyang gas tank para sa inyong malayuan at mahabang biyahe. 100% Japan surplus din ang gulong nito. Makapal pa at merong sukat na 195 by 85 rim 16. We offer cash and installment through financing kaya wag nang magpahuli. Grab your unit now and be the first owner of our unit in the Philippines. Pasyal na sa aming yarda. Located along MacArthur Highway, Barangay Canyugan, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Open Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also visit our main Facebook page, Kimcar Enterprises Co. Japan Surplus. Check out our official YouTube channel, Kimcar Enterprises Co. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for latest videos. And please, don't forget to hit like and follow our page. See you soon mga ka-sure buyers. Thank you for watching.